Welcome to our vlog! Meron akong question kay Cleo. Kailangan masagot niya. O, Ate Mabi, are you ready?
Yeah.
Dapat help mo si Cleo pag hindi nasagot ni Cleo. Okay? About planets muna tayo. The first one. How many planets are there in our solar system? How many? How many? Huh?
8.
Oh, what are they? The first one.
Mercury.
The second.
Earth, Venus,
Venus.
Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
How many? 8. Very good. Which planet is closest to the sun?
Mercury.
Very good. Which planet is the largest?
Jupiter.
Very good. Which planet is known as the red planet? Red planet?
Mars.
Mars. Very good. What is the name of the planet with prominent rings?
Saturn.
Saturn. Very good. What is the hottest planet in our solar system? Hottest.
Venus.
Very good. How about the coldest? Yung blue planet?
Venus.
Uranus. Very good Okay. Next naman.
Daddy, don't do that. Just want to get a video.
Yan lang Next na. Ano ang smallest planet? Mercury, ang galing. Mercury mo, ang galing ni Cleo.
Oh no.
Ano pa ba?
Ate Mavi.
Bakit coldest planet? Search ko nga, coldest planet. Coldest planet. Uranus. Uranus nga. Okay. Solar system is located in blank galaxy. Blank galaxy. Solar system is located in the blank galaxy. Ano yun? Yung sa galaxy. Bilis sige. Answer mo. Nasasabi mo yan. Nasasabi mo yan kay mama. Blank galaxy.
Blank? What's blank?
Solar system is located in galaxy. Saan mo na daw
Blank.
No? Yung siya, yung para yung ma-answer mo. Ano yun? Nasabi mo na yun Milk?
Milky.
Milky?
Milky.
Way.
Milky Way.
Milky Way, anak.
I don't know.
Where do most comet